Hey there! So, let's dive into the problem we have at hand. We're looking at a code snippet that's causing build time warnings due to the potential for a null pointer when calling the memset function. The compiler is not happy about it and keeps flagging it as a warning. We tried a few approaches like checking for null before calling memset, setting up a temporary non-null pointer, and even using an assert statement to make sure chip is not null. Unfortunately, none of these attempts seem to work. The warning persists, and we need a solid solution to tackle this issue. Now let's talk about the solution. The key here lies in understanding that the pointer in question, chip, is null every single time from the call stack. The compiler is pretty confident in identifying this and alerting us about the null pointer situation. The crucial insight comes from the source code snippet, confirming that if chip is null, it gets passed to the opn2_reset function without any checks. This insight is vital as it directs us towards a clear path to resolving the issue at hand. By acknowledging this behavior and understanding the root cause, we can address the warning effectively. In summary, we've explored a problem in the code related to potential null pointer dereference leading to build time warnings. The solution lies in recognizing the consistent null pointer scenario based on the call stack. By understanding the source code's handling of null pointers, we can approach the issue with a more informed perspective. With this approach in mind, we can now ensure a smoother and warning-free code compilation process. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below. See you next time.